wondered why we have less older generations compared to the time of our forefathers? They stay longer, they live longer, and the rates at which we have diseases is rampant now compared to then. Why? Because our immune system has been defaulted. We are presenting you an online training on how to process fruits, herbs and spices. How you can start making business right from your kitchen. You're going to be learning how to make garlic powder from the fresh form to the powdery form, and how you can package it this way and make your market, make your money. And then we're going to be teaching you how to process this into this, and also how you can process it into tea bags. And also we are going to be teaching you how to capsulate, for example, bitter leaf into capsules, and also how to dry your vegetables, how to make your rosemary into this form, and also package it in this format. I hope to see you in class. Have a great day ahead. I remain your Bridget Solomedelo. I'm the founder of Debmark Allied Farms, producers of Debmark.